Okay, on this lecture we are going to watch about Python list. Those who are coming from another programming language, you definitely know the concept of array. In Python also array is available. The core array is available using import function, but more than that, advanced array, we could call that as a advanced array, which is list, tuple, set and dictionary. These four things will do a different function and they hold different responsibility. Okay, now we are going to watch about list, which is so familiar with array. What is list? List is data structure in Python. List is collection of same or different data. Same or different data that are enclosed in bracket separated by comma. List are mutable. What is mutable? Once the value is created, we can able to change the value, remove the value, or we can able to change the order of the value. Okay, then ordered. When a new value is inserted, the newly inserted value will be placed on end of the array. That is what ordered, and we can able to duplicate values, which means in a list you can have a duplicate values. Okay, so that is the functions of list. Then creating list. First of all, I'm just creating a variable name alpha and writing an alphabet. Whenever you are using a list, the same concept as a variable. Okay, the string that are enclosed in a quotes. So follow the same procedure. A, B, C, D, then E. Okay, then num, that is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then mixed. Array is a collection of same or different data. 1 comma Naren comma 3.3. So 1 is an integer, Naren is a string, 3.3 is a floating value. Then list in 0 comma 1.1 comma 1.2. So this is a valid statement. 2 comma 3.3 comma 3.4. Okay, this is list in property. Then so this is how you create a list. That may be a same data or different data. Okay, now we are gonna alter, means before altering we accessing the list. Okay, accessing the list. Accessing means nothing but you are querying an element or complete element from the list. So print alpha print num, print mixed, print listing. Okay, running my file python app.py. Okay, python app.py. Here you could see the alpha value, num value, mixed value, and then list in value. I can able to take an particular element also. Before that, what is type of alpha? Okay, type of alpha will be a list. Okay, class list. So accessing a particular value, print alpha of 0, print alpha of 3 third value, print in between value 2 to 5. So what value do you need? Alpha. Okay, alpha 2 to 5. Then before and after, num of colon 3, print num of 1 colon. Okay, running this file, here you could see alpha 0 value is A, alpha third value is D, alpha 2 to 5 C, D, E, num 0 to 3 1 to 3, num 1 to all the element 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is how you access all element or particular element in a list. Okay, adding in list. So how do you add a value? Alpha, you can use simple plus operator. Okay, here alpha bracket f comma g for the num plus equal to 6 comma 7. Okay, print alpha comma num. Here you could see before until e value only present, after that I am just adding f and g on num 6 and 7, the value is added. You can use append option also. Append what on what you are going to append. I am going to append on alpha dot append. So what value I am going to append is h. Okay, and for the num dot append 8. Okay, here you could see h and 8 is been added to the list. Then there is extend property, alpha dot extend. So while using extend, don't forget to put a bracket, extend I, and for num dot extend 9, print alpha comma num. Here you could see I and 9 is been added to the list. Okay, now altering in list. I am already said list is mutable, so you can able to alter an element in a list. Here I am going to alter the values in listing property. Listing, then first listing of 0th element, so that should be right in a bracket. Okay, not parenthesis, bracket list of 0 that is equal to A. Okay, list of 0 that is equal to A. So before the value is 0, after is A. Then I can able to do like this also. Listing after 4th element, I need to add 0.415, then 3.1415926. Okay, then printing a listing after 4th element, my value is 0.415 and 3.1415 value is been added to the list. I could able to update a value within an element also, within array. Okay, so 3 to 4. Here the values are already in array, so you wanted to put multiple brackets. Okay, 3.5 comma 3.6. Okay, 3.5 comma 3.6. Already 3.3 and 4 is put it here. I need to print my result. Value 3.5 and 3.6 is added to the list, or I could completely change the structure. Listing that is equal to now you could see my complete value has been removed, re-altered my value. So my listing last entered value is Coder033. Then index. Okay, so indexing in list. Okay, for index I am printing in which element? A is present in alpha. A is present in alpha, comma, to find the index of value you need to write alpha dot index. I need where A is presented. Okay, as same like alpha dot index E. Okay, alpha dot index A and index C. Now running my file, here you could see 0th element A is presented and fourth element E is presented. Okay, after that copying in list. So how do copy and value? On variable I am just said when a variable name comes after equal to, it will act as a value. You could use that option also. On list there is a separate function is available. Okay, let us that is equal to alpha dot copy function. So here what will do means on letters variable alpha complete value is being presented. Okay, letters, printing letters. Here you could see on alphabet values has been copied to the letters. Then counting in list. Counting in list. To counting same like how much A is present in alpha, comma alpha dot count value A, as same like value n. There is no n element is presented, so the result will be S0. Here you could see 1A is presented, n element 0 is presented. Okay, to find the length of list. Print length of alpha is length bracket alpha. Okay, not bracket, parenthesis alpha. Here you could see totally 9 element has been presented on alpha. Then removing an element in list. Remove element in list. Okay, alpha dot remove J. Okay, before that print alpha, as same like print alpha. J is not presented in the list, so I am just eliminating I. Okay, here I is being presented, here the value of I is deleted. Okay, you could use pop option also. Alpha dot pop function. What will pop do means it will remove the last element. Okay, h will be removed, so h is the last element, so h is removed. Okay, reverse in list. So you can able to reverse an element in list. Alpha dot reverse function, then print alpha. Okay, so here you could see a normal alpha output, here the reversed value of alpha. I am just reversing again to be a normal value. Okay, so clear in list, print listing, then listing dot clear means it will not completely remove, it will clear all the values inside the list. Listing dot clear function, then again print listing. Okay, listing dot clear, string has no attribute. Okay, so listing is not a list, so we just alter the value to string element, so that will not produce an result. Now it will work perfectly fine. Here you could see an empty list. Okay, then sort in list. Sort in list, how do you sort an element? For that, unsorted, that is equal to m comma n comma z comma y comma q comma a. So I am just randomly written an alphabet in a list, then print unsorted, after that unsorted dot sort function, after that printing an unsorted list. Okay, so here you could see an unsorted list after sorting of the element. Okay, you dot sort function is been available on list. One thing you should keep that on mind, if some function is available on list, the same function will be not available on set or tuple dictionary, so there is not a same function available in between this. Okay, the function will be vary within these particular topics. Okay, so this is how you will sort an element, sort a list. Okay, then slicing. So slicing is nothing but you are doing in accessing, right? So this particular element will called as a slicing a list. Okay, then delete option, delete in list. Okay, delete in list. Here print letters, I checking whether letters is presented, yes presented. Delete letters of 0th element. Okay, so a will be removed. Okay, the value a will be removed, or you could able to delete in between character also. What are the element we just saw in slicing, right? Like that you can able to delete letters, deleting second element to fourth element. Okay, I need to print the result. Okay, after deleting, here you could see from second element to fourth element has been removed, or you could completely delete an element. Okay, delete. Okay, delete letters, then print letters. Okay, so what the clear is doing? Clear is nothing but it was clearing a value inside the list. So delete is completely erasing with the variable name plus values. Okay, so this is what delete will do. Let's come to the summary. List is a data structure in Python. List is a collection of same or different data that are enclosed in a bracket separated in comma. List is mutable. Okay, on mutable we are changed the value, we are changed the order, and we completely re-alter the value and remove the element. Okay, ordered. Okay, we can able to order the last entered value is been placed next to the last on the list. Okay, then we can able to duplicate values. So duplicate element also we just on. So creating a list, accessing an element, adding. So for extend, don't forget to put a bracket, altering a value. So in altering, whether you are altering a list inside the list, so you need to put double bracket. Okay, then indexing, copying, remove, pop will remove the last element. Okay, reverse, list in property clear will clear the values on that particular variable name. Delete will completely remove the value. Okay, on next lecture we are going to watch Python tuples. I forgot to mention how do you loop a value in a list. Okay, looping value in list. Okay, to loop a value, simple for loop. Okay, so not a complex thing. From value in alpha. Okay, then print values. Okay, not values, value. Letters is not defined. Okay, okay, here you could see my list is looped A B C D E F G. Okay, on previous you just watched one thing, which is on Python definition I'm just mentioned it will run until the error occur. Okay, so from starting to ending it was completely working completely fine. On this particular it can't able to find a variable name letters. On that time only it was queuing and result name letters is not defined. Okay, so that is what Python.